Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. In this tutorial, we will show you on how to mention all friends in Facebook comments. Let's get started. Note: this option is only available in your groups. It is not possible to mention all friends in Facebook comments in your post or in anyone's post. First, open your Facebook app by tapping it. On the Facebook homepage, look at the bottom right of your screen and tap Menu. Now, tap on Groups. In Group section, you can see here your groups, then tap on it. After that, tap on a group you manage. I will select this one for example. Now, go to a particular post that you want where you will mention all your friends. Tap Comment. And now, to mention friends, type @ and tap Everyone. After doing so, you can see the very first option. It has a small description on it that says, "Can mention everyone once a day," then tap it. Then tap the send icon. Congratulations! You have now successfully learned on how to mention all friends in Facebook comments. Thank you for watching!